gosh.
3 of them on the graph right now.
Got him.
Dang, boy, look at that. Drop shot.
I knew I felt the pull. It's a big one too. What's up, Epic Boys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you our rig for these ditch fish. So, as you see in our videos, we're catching lots of fish on this rig. So here's number 1. Throwing this on a bait caster. It's a 3/8 fish head spin with a white ice trailer on my bait caster. Next up, we have the blade bait. It's got a little chartreuse eye and a big weight, throwing that on a spinning rod.
How are you fishing that?
We just pull it up, let it sink, kind of like a
yo-yo?
spoon. Yeah, yo-yo fishing with the spoon. And then next up, we have shaky head. You don't have to fish one specific color. I think lots of colors will work. That's, I don't know what this weight is.
3/16.
3/16, okay. There you go, alien head. And our last but not least is drop shot. Drop shot is one of the best baits for the bottom, right there.
Yeah, so what we're doing on drop shot is we're seeing fish directly underneath the boat, and when we do, we'll drop the drop shot bait down as well as some spoons, and that'll help catch the fish directly beneath the boat. If we don't see any fish beneath the boat, we're obviously throwing the underspin and the shaky head or the blade bait. Stuck one on the drop shot. Feels like a good one. Ooh. Ditch fishing today, boys. In the middle of a ditch. It's a good fish. Boy. This guy ain't messing around here. Good fish here. Haven't seen him yet, but he feels good. Only got 7-pound line on here. So gotta be very careful. He's digging. Looks like a very nice one. Oh my gosh. Beast. Absolute tank. Look at this beast. Oh. On the drop shot. Beautiful fish. Look at this thing. Look at the belly on this guy. Absolute monster. Fun fight on light tackle, 7-pound line. You had me hung up for a second. Yeah. Shaky head. Getting the job done. Doubles. Doubles. Guys, we got double. You have underspin on?
Yep.
You hit it?
No, I just picked my rod up and there was a pole.
Doubles, baby. Look at that. Ah.
Yeah.
We got fish all over the graph.
Is your line good? Let me check.
Got one on the drop or shaky head and one on the underspin, baby. This guy is on fire right here.
Another nice one. Oh, did you see that?
I hear the drag. We got a good one on. Another one. Oh, oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Uh-oh.
Oh, I gave him.
Oh. Don't pull real hard.
Oh, it's big.
Oh my god. Look at that. Another 2.5. Maybe close to 3 with that big old belly on him. Look at that. Epic Boys fishing. Killing it today in this ditch. What's up, guys? I wanted to give you a quick example of the types of ditches I'm looking for here. So we're looking at my Lake Master chip. I've got all the green areas highlighted, which is the 30 to 50 foot range. So that's kind of what I'm concentrating on, as you can see. But I'm looking for some really deep drop-offs that create a very low valley, or a ditch, as you would call it. So as we can see down this side right here, I've got a lot of dark contour lines. That means it's almost straight down along there. And we're coming in from the main channel right here. All the way back up in here is bait. It's also got quite a bit of standing timber and brush in there as well. But if I go over here and I zoom in a little bit, we can see those tight contour lines there and kind of the areas that I'm fishing. I've got all the waypoints set up in there. That's where I've seen brush and I've seen bait. And what I'm doing is I'm coming to the very tip of the ditch and I'm casting all the way up into the ditch. And I'm pulling, anything from a jig to a drop shot to a spoon and a shaky head all up in there. And I've had success on all those lures. But obviously you just want to find the ditches with some bait and some structure, brush, standing timber, and hopefully you'll see some fish in there. And if you do, you can definitely sit on one of these ditches and catch quite a few of them.
Gosh.
3 of them on the graph right now.
Got him.
Dang, boy, look at that. Drop shot.
I knew I felt the pull. It's a big one too. We got that hook that too. Oh yeah. Oh.
Uh-oh. Got my rod still in there. All right.
Yeah! That thing thrilled the heck out of it.
Beautiful fish.
I pulled up and that thing was just weight. All I felt was weight and I set that hook.
He liked that chartreuse.
These are our 2 biggest fish of the day. Both super fat. I mean, look at that belly. That's a football. These guys have been eating. There we go. Thanks for watching, Epic Boys. Hope you all liked this video. Click the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and click that like button. Hope you guys all learned something new about ditch fishing today. Hope you all had a great day. Bye.